Don't tell anybody. But I've snuck into the Master the Handpan Academy. There's like this thing called the Handpan Village, and it seems really busy. I'm looking at my screen right now. There's a lot of people here. I'm gonna give myself a new name and I'm gonna interact and hang out. I'm gonna call myself Izza. Photo. I need a photo. There's a picture of a handpan. There's 150 pounds on Temu. Please, whatever you do not buy a handpan for 150 pounds. So let's see what it's all about. By the way, I'm sorry if I have a lisp. I have a wisdom tooth situation happening. I cannot open my mouth. Let's go to the community. I'm just gonna respond to some posts. Candice is one of my students. Hello if you're watching. Me too. I haven't found a way to slow it down either. Would be super helpful. My cat loves handpan music too. I don't have a cat. This is so much fun. I'm catfishing everybody. I'm new here too. Let's learn together. Okay, this is starting to feel a little bit immoral now. Ooh, Candice got a neotone. Cool. I've never seen one of these before. I've played one before. So events, the challenge with Alex, master the happy hour, I don't know what that means, and then student focus. So I need to get involved in these things. You know what's gonna happen now, right? I'm gonna submit a video. Click here to access the challenge.
Hello everyone, Alexandre Lore speaking here.
Hi.
Welcome to the March Challenge on Master the Handpan Academy.
So what happens is that one teacher every month gives you a challenge and then you record yourself doing that challenge. You submit it in the comments. Phil is another one of my students. He has no idea I'm here. I'm going to pretend to be... Who am I? What is my name? Izza. Yeah, nice. Okay, so I'm going to respond to that, asking what his handpan is. I know exactly what his handpan is. It's an F2 low pygmy from Meridian Handpans. I know that because I work with Meridian Handpans. Now, I'm going to make myself sound amateur. What tone / company? Company maker? Company is this? Okay, this is brilliant. It's the next day and I've already got replies from people. So I commented on one of Phil's videos saying this is beautiful, and he said, hey Izza, waving. So now I've decided, sorry Phil, I'm gonna befriend Phil. I have a terrible update. So I told David what I was doing, and then he went and posted this video.
A handpan star has infiltrated the village under a fake name. If you manage to unmask that person, say so in the Let's Chat.
So I downloaded the app on my phone so that I could follow along with like mentions and comments and keep up to date, happily chatting away with my new friends in the Handpan Village, Phil and Candice. But no more than a couple of hours after David posted that video, Phil rats me out. He's onto me already. Because at the time that I saw this notification, I was in the dentist chair. My mouth getting number and number and bigger. And so I didn't respond right away. And then I was otherwise distracted and I don't really know how to respond. And then Sylvan made matters worse by saying, what do you have to defend yourself? What do you have to say to defend yourself? So now I really do need to reply, and that was a couple of hours ago, but I just don't know what to say that's going to make me look innocent. I've been commenting on loads of stuff, but I haven't posted a video of myself yet, so I need to somehow prove that I am who I say I am. So I've chosen a shirt that I don't normally wear on camera, sleeves down. I've chosen an area of my studio that I don't usually show on camera. I'm using the front-facing camera on my phone so that hopefully it's low quality, and I'm also going to crop in to make it slightly lower quality as well. And I don't want to play badly, but I also don't want to play how I would usually play. Uh-oh, there's already a problem. Okay, change of tactic. I bought this for another video. It's a Chinese-made pan that I bought for £250 on Amazon, and it sounds bad, so I'm going to use that. It's getting serious. Well, there we have it. Just a couple of hours after I posted my submission to the March challenge, I've been got. I really thought I might make it all the way through to the Student Focus event, which is in a couple of weeks. And I was really hoping that the guys would give me feedback on my video in front of everybody. But no, I made it like 2 days since the announcement, 1 week since arriving. And it was all these guys. Is it Amy Naylor? Sorry to keep picking on you, Issa. Running out of ideas. Sorry for stalking everybody. And then Sylvan, any final words? Izza has been commenting a lot. She posted her entry on the challenge and her sleeves covered her hands like Amy's do. Ha, it is, isn't it? Her handpan challenge video made me think it might be. Her clothing style and hand movements. I really tried to change my hand movements, but I guess you are who you are, you know? I just put a video up of me admitting that it's me, so I guess I'm officially a member of the Master the Handpan community. So the lesson that I've learned, I think, from all of this is that I'm bad at trying to be somebody that I'm not. Which I don't think is particularly a bad thing. Anyway, now that I've been got, I look forward to being part of the community and taking some of the courses and hanging out and watching some of the live streams. It is a really cool place. There's a really lovely community spark happening here, and it feels like a privilege to be allowed in. So thank you guys. If you want to see me mucking about with some other courses online, then check out this video next, I guess, and see you in the handpan community.